How easy is it to clean a filling and weighing machine? The answer to that question is it is very simple. Just to walk you through our range, starting with the entry level Speedbox 200 and 500. Both of those machines have a removable hopper and lid that you can place into the sink to simply wash. You then need to clean out the vibration tray using either a vacuum cleaner, or you may need to use a brush to help encourage, for example, powders or any remaining particles inside the machine, and then moving down into the weigh pan on the inside, you just simply brush it out. You can spray them with anti-bac as well. Obviously you can't submerge the machine because there are electrical parts in there. However, spraying it with anti-bac along the food path is absolutely fine, so you can make sure it's thoroughly clean before you change onto another product. Moving up the range to the bigger machines, so the Speedbox 2500 and 5000 again have a removable hopper and lid that can be washed in a sink. You then need to vacuum out the food path on the inside on the vibration tray. Then you clean out the inside of the weigh pan, which is very straightforward. There's plenty of room inside there to get in and clean it out. Again, a paintbrush is very useful for that task. The actual dispense chute is removable, and also the dispense chute adapters or nozzles that you use for different pack sizes can all be put into the sink. So I hope that helps answer the question with regards to cleaning. Of course, if you have any more questions about this video, or there's any information missing that you would like to know the answer to, then please do get in contact with us either by email or of course by telephone. Thank you very much for watching this video.